that we.
And then I will try how I didn't know. I was pressing the little coffee shop. Coffee, please. Yeah, that sounds very like I need help.